So there are several reasons as to why you should automate in the first place. The most common and obvious one is that it saves a lot of time because you're not spending a lot of time on the creative aspect in terms of coming up with ideas and posting. You can automate all of that through the likes of ChatGPT and Buffer. Because everything is automated on a schedule, it allows for good consistency. And the main thing that all of these social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok, what they value the most nowadays is consistency, how often you post, and if you are posting at a consistent schedule. So automation can really help with this. You'll have access to better analytics, and overall, this automation system will help reduce any burnout. Automation isn't lazy, it's very smart. It keeps your content consistent, boosts reach, and gives you more data as well. It stops you from burning out from constant posting because everything is done on a schedule that's been approved by yourself. So we are gonna create content ideas, we're gonna write captions, we're gonna auto-schedule posts, and see how all of that can fit in with our workflow and keep our social media content scheduling within 30 minutes. So step one is the content ideas and coming up with different content. You can use a range of tools for this like ChatGPT or Jasper to create content ideas and captions. You can then move on to something like Canva or Adobe Express to auto design and templates. Starting off with the content ideas. In this example, we are going to use ChatGPT, but feel free to use any other chat agents that you feel comfortable with, Claude, Perplexity, Jasper, anything that you are used to working with. I would say ChatGPT would be better. It's probably the most versatile chat agent that is out there, but have a go, play around with all of them and see what you think is best for yourself and your business. I've got ChatGPT open here, and I'm just going to give it this prompt to give 30 social posts for a certain niche focused on value and engagement. So in this case, we are going to do the example of a coffee business. Give it a bit more context, and you can write about the types of posts that you want. So you can say, I would like a mix, an educational, product promotion, testimonial, etc. type of content focused on value and engagement. So we start with bulk ideas. Use tools like ChatGPT, one prompt, 30 ideas, done. So I'm going to give that to ChatGPT. And it's coming up with a list of 30 ideas designed to boost value, engagement, and conversions with a mix of educational, promotional, testimonials, and interactive posts. So what they've done is they've separated each of the posts into each of those categories. We've got our educational posts, we've got our promotional post, and then it'll write the rest of them. So the testimonial and community work, and just a few bonus tips at the end. So already quick and easy, we've got the ideas for the types of posts. Step 2 is to auto write the captions, and again you're going to stick with the chat agent that you used to write the first one. You can use a different one, but since you already are using one of the chat agents, it's good to kind of keep it consistent. What we'll do is that we'll pick one of the post ideas. So we'll say maybe number 11, new drink alert, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to write a caption for this post idea. Say number 11 with a call to action and 3 hashtags. Fine tune it as you need it. If this is for Instagram, I would say to put in a few more hashtags. If it's for Facebook, you can say include a link within the caption, things like that. So you want to tailor it to wherever you're posting it to, and then just let ChatGPT to come up with the caption for you. So you feed ChatGPT the post ideas, get back polished captions, add call to actions, like save this or comment yes for the checklist, things like that. So yes, we've got our here, and then we've got available for limited time only, don't miss your sip. Perfect. Next thing you want to do is auto schedule your post. So this is Buffer, and it's what you can use to schedule posts so that they go out. So you can plan for them to go out on a certain day or time. So we've uploaded the post here, I've added an image, I've added the post content, and this is connected to my Instagram account. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit set date and time, and I'm going to pick a date and time that I want this post to go out in. So that means at the beginning of every month or the beginning of every week, if you know you want a certain amount of posts to go out in that time. All you need to do is upload them to something like Buffer, or if you're just using Facebook and Instagram, you can just use the Meta Business Suite and their planner tool that's just free to use to plan out and publish the post whenever in the exact date and time that you need as well. So upload content, drag and drop into the batch schedule, and use best time suggestions as well, and to actually post them and let the tool pick the best time to post. And so you don't need to worry about any posting reminders or anything like that as well. And that's it. You've created your post, and then you just want to keep a track on tracking and iterating. So track every week the saves and shares on each post, any followers gained, and the top kind of post types. Look at what's working, shares, saves, and reach. Do more of that, less of the rest. So then automation doesn't mean you're completely abandoning your strategy. Overall, with proper use of automation, it requires no effort. It's not that it is. Overall, with proper use of automation, it's not that your work now no longer requires any effort. It's more that you're putting your effort in a smart way. Automation gives you back time while keeping your content strong. By carefully planning 30 minutes every week can save you hours from planning, design, and scheduling as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and let us know in the comments below what chat agent you like to use when you're coming up with content ideas and captions. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.